In regards to Harley-Davidson and other motorcycle and auto manufacturers for that matter, the EFI tuner issue is completely because of pressures and fines from the EPA, who is making them void warranties if non-compliant tuners are utilized. You see, in 2017, Harley entered a consent decree filed by the US EPA that required them to cease the sale of all non-compliant EFI tuners and to void warranties on those Harleys with non-compliant EFI tuners. And yes, Harley is voiding warranties for non-compliant tuners, as are other motorcycle companies and auto manufacturers. So that begs the question, what is an EPA compliant EFI tuner? Well, that's not so clear, but we did some research and digging for you. Currently, we can find no credible list of EPA compliant tuners. I will mention that, of course, Harley-Davidson has a Screamin' Eagle EPA compliant EFI tuner that will not void your warranty, but it doesn't do much, and we'll talk about that in a moment. So this begs the overall question,